Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys enjoying your days. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a picture negative on iPhone. So at first, just go to your browser and search for invert colors online. Now just go to this very first website, Pine Tools. Now click on choose file, click on photo library. Now just select a photo like this one. Now click on done in the top right. Now click on invert. Now click on PNG. Click on download. Now just go back and go to your files. Here you can see the negative photo has downloaded. So guys, that's how you can make photo negative on iPhone. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and stay with us by subscribing Tech Team. Thank you very much for watching the video.